Hi everybody, this is Marta from Hackages. Today we are in GAMING1 in Liège and we will have a 2-day workshop with the developers team and we will discover together React, VueJS and Angular.
A few years ago we made the choice to use Durandal and Knockout framework. Now we have to build a new application with new technologies. We wanted to ask which one fit the best with our requirement.
We really got to stay at the top, so it's really important for the company to invest in its employees.
First, I thought we were just getting the frameworks presented, get a bit of exercise, and then that's it. But it's more than that.
Create the same applications with the three frameworks.
We had the whole afternoon of debriefing what were the pros and cons of every technology.
What was really helpful is to be surrounded by a talented mentor.
My first impression was the guys really know what they're talking about.
I'm very happy because I think the expectations are completely met. Now we know better what we have to choose.